Hello and welcome to this video about Zurich Silvesterlauf, Zurich New Year Run 2023. Running season closing was organized by Adidas Runners community around this event. We had a chance to celebrate and thank to our great captains and crew runners. They have prepared for us this amazing event, not only with nice food and drinks, but also DJ sets and plenty of gifts. We've also got free participation in Zurich Silvesterlauf relay. But of course, the most valuable is that they coached and supported us during all year 2023. In this warm and fun atmosphere, we've prepared to our race. It's time to run and we are moving to the starting point. The city is full of runners this day. There are many races with different distances, so anyone can find something suitable. We are participating in Run for Fun, a relay where each pair would run a 6-kilometer distance in total. We've started running in the heart of Zurich Old City. There is a huge support of fellow Adidas runners along the way. Narrow streets of Old Zurich are occupied by runners this day. We are running along many historical sites. The loop goes along Limmatquai and Bahnhofstrasse, and you can see Fraumünster and Grossmünster and many other things. One more loop. Last meters before the finish line. It was a short and fast race, literally run for fun. After the run, we also cheered our fellow runners in the next race. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.